Since I have a boyfriend now, I have to start learning how to cook. I never cook for my family, but I went to the grocery store and got all the ingredients to make Chipotle bowls. I did get pre-sliced chicken. I gotta start somewhere. Instead of cooking for my family of 5 tonight, I'm cooking for 8 because me, my brother, and my sister all have friends over. I feel like the rice is gonna take the longest to cook, so let's make that first. Wait, this has only 2 cups of water. I did way more water than that. It's 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. I have never cooked before. I'm being so for real. You're gonna have to give me a break. We'll do 3 of these maybe. I'm gonna need 6 cups of water. I feel like sweet potatoes are gonna take the next amount of time. I'm gonna be so honest, I don't know how to make a sweet potato, so I'm gonna go look this up really quick. Apparently it's better to cook potatoes in the oven instead of on the stove so they have more flavor, and you have to cook them for 45 minutes, so I'm glad I'm starting this now. I don't know if I'm supposed to cut the skin off or not, but we're just gonna leave it on because it can't be bad for you, right? They're gonna be in cubes, so I'm just gonna cut them in half. Wait, should I just put the whole thing in the oven? Do we wrap them in tin foil? Okay, I need to look this up again. To 350. We're both gonna go at the same time so that this gets done a lot quicker. That looks good. This is, why am I having the problem chopping? That looks good. That is good. It's literally perfect.
I'm gonna do this.
We're starting to get a hang of it now. What do I do in this situation? Is it gonna boil over or does the lid stop it? I'm so glad I'm starting to learn how to cook because I honestly don't know the answer to that question. Potatoes are chopped. The oven is preheating. I'm taking this pan, lining with tin foil, have some olive oil. I'm just gonna spread the pan. Potatoes on top. More oil on top. I'm gonna add some flavor to this because my family loves flavor. I feel like I can add garlic and basil. I don't do this, so if this is not right, don't come for me. I love basil. Fine. It's fine, guys, right? Okay, let's check the rice. Now I can start on the chicken. I have made chicken before, so I'm pretty confident that I can do this part without looking anything up. That is so gross. 2 packs for 8 people. I hope this is enough. Okay, water is running over now. I know you're not supposed to drain rice, so maybe it still needs a little bit longer to look at how much leaked over. Okay, maybe I don't know how to fix chicken. Apparently I was supposed to season before I put it in the pan. Elizabeth said because, let me just show you. So the chicken's white, and I thought I seasoned after. I don't even know what to use. Lemon.
Yeah, that might be good. Italian.
Okay. We're gonna make up for it, it's okay. Garlic. Just a little bit of paprika so we're not too spicy over here. And we got some Italian. I hope this is good. I'm really nervous, guys. My mom was so excited when she found out I was cooking dinner, but I don't know how excited she's gonna be when she starts to taste it. I bought cloves of garlic at the store, but we don't have a masher, so I'm gonna try to use the lemon and lime. Guys, it worked. Should we just drop it in the chicken? So just drop that in there. I'm gonna add some rosemary. I feel like Chipotle does their seasonings in the rice too. Chicken is getting a lot better. That looks amazing. Personally, I need corn in my Chipotle bowl. I know you have to peel all of these hairs off, but personally I don't have time for that either, so I'm just gonna throw them in. I'm gonna add butter to the boiling cups. I'm gonna put it in the water, about that much. To re-season these, they're not done yet. It's only been about 15-20 minutes. They're looking really dry, so we're gonna add some more oil and toss them around. If you haven't heard of Green Goddess seasoning, it's one of the best seasonings to add to your vegetables. It flip these all around so they're getting mixed in with the oil and stuff, so they're not getting too dry. Elizabeth said it needs more salt. Now that they're looking nice and moist again, we can stick them back in the oven. Chicken is done, so we're gonna add it to the cutting board, chop it up to smaller pieces. One of my pet peeves is large pieces of chicken. I can only eat my chicken if it's sliced in very thin pieces. So we're gonna do this all the way down. Everything is almost done. We've got corn, rice, lettuce, tomato. Just started on the peppers because obviously that's the last thing we're gonna cook. I made homemade queso, the chicken, and the sweet potatoes. We also have some corn chips to go along with this. My mom is very impressed. I don't know if she was expecting this or not. She was not. We tried to clean as we went. This is my bowl. It looks so good, just like Chipotle. I'd rate it 1 out of 10.
I'd definitely give it a 10.
Laura and Mom, what do y'all rate it?
Amazing. I give it a 10. 10 plus.
Levi? 10. Girls, what is it?
It's really good.
And the girl who helped me do it?
Amazing.
Looks like I'm gonna be cooking a lot more now.